Hi, it's Cross. Been a while. Today we're making this. No, not this. This is just a crap box that I made to go around this, but we're making this wonky looking keyboard thing that looks like something you might find in Alien Isolation. So, let's get into it. I'll start by hiding this. Make a plane. Scale it to whatever you want. Go into edit mode. Subdivide. Crank them up a bunch. I think first time I did this it was 8, but we'll do it with 7. Doesn't really seem to matter because once we use this little trick that I'm about to show you, it'll kind of make a bunch more for us. We're going to be using something called the discombobulator. Go to edit, preferences, type in, not under key map, add-ons, discom, whatever. Hit check, you're done. Exit out of that. When you have everything selected, discombobulator. Inherently nothing is going to happen. You have to hit OK first. Bloop. And there you go. Now you have a keyboard. And you can mess with some of the settings. These are the ones that I built with before, but you can bring that way up. Well, let's back that way down. Jesus God alright, so cool way to make a city, I guess, but not what I want for this tutorial. 0.9. Let's go there. Still too high. You get the idea. You can mess with this to change the height, max and minimum. There's tapering, which will make the keys thinner once you get to the top. Kind of a cool effect, but since we're making a keyboard, we're just going to go back to what it was. There we go. Alright, now, these buttons right here, you can click these so that for each face, you get that number of, they're called protrusions. So, 1, you get something that looks kind of where each piece looks the same. 2, you start getting some variation. You have L-shaped pieces. Well, actually, I don't see any L-shaped pieces, but you can get those. 3, you can have 3 protrusions. 4, you get the idea. It starts getting kind of crazy to where you can have a huge keyboard. Anyway, I did it with just 2 and 1 because I thought it was too many keys otherwise. So, do that, model a keyboard or computer around it, and you're done. From here, if you wanted to, you can go back to this one, hop into edit mode, start grabbing some of these vertices here, uno and dos. Merge at the center, uno and dos. Merge at the center. So on and so forth, you get the idea. Until you have what appropriately looks like a spacebar. And then you can select all these. Got all? Yep. SZ0 to make them all the same height. Bring it up a bit, and you have yourself a glorified spacebar. You can do the same with other keys. You can build the enter key if you want to over here. You can build tab, blah, 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 blah. You could also just hand model a keyboard the way it's supposed to be created and look, but I like this because it's got kind of a sci-fi, futuristic, but not really futuristic vibe. Like I said earlier, like Alien Isolation, where the keyboards are all kind of clunky, and the computer technology looks like something you'd find more so in the 60s, and then just slap some textures on it and call it a day. Anyway, hope that helps. Bye!